Tonight, we're hitting the trails and going for a night hike with the help of our new EDC flashlight. This is the Archer Pro V2 from ThruNite. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and then your Archer Pro V2. It comes in a lot of different colors, but we chose the green, and I like the way this one looks. It's made out of a high-quality aluminum alloy. It feels good to handle and has a good grip in the hand. It comes complete with a detachable dual-direction pocket clip. You can use this to clip it to your person and make sure you always have it on you when you need it. Then if you unscrew the front of your flashlight, you'll find the USB-C charging port. Due to this nice seal, it's IPX8 waterproof, assuring your flashlight will last a long time to come. I charged it up and brought it outside for a proper test, and I've got to say, for being such a small flashlight, it's actually pretty bright. On its brightest setting, it can shine 187 meters, with a brightness of 950 lumens. It was lighting up the trees far in the distance, and I was pretty impressed. So I took it into the closed trails to get some usage tests. This flashlight has stepless dimming, so if you press and hold the button on the back, it'll gradually cycle from bright to low, then back to bright again, allowing you to set it exactly as bright as you want. Then if you double press the button, you'll enable turbo mode. This is the brightest setting and really packs a punch. I hiked through the trails and it was so bright. I looked around for a bit and explored some new areas. Saw some cool sights and had a nice and peaceful hike. This flashlight lit my way and was so lightweight and portable that I hardly noticed it. No need to carry around heavy giant flashlights when this little guy is so bright. It has some emergency modes too. You can triple press the button to enable strobe mode. Then you can long press the button to turn on firefly mode. This mode casts a nice soft light and allows you to see without blinding everyone around you. And I've actually been using this setting a lot lately. I shut the door to the chicken coop every night, and I don't like disturbing them when they're already asleep. So this has been nice to light my way and not disrupt their slumber. Then when I'm back outside, I can easily make it brighter and find my way back to the house. This has been such a nice little flashlight to have around. The battery is long lasting and the flashlight is plenty bright. So if you're looking for a nice little EDC flashlight, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the trail for another night hike. See ya!